Ricky.
Why are you videoing me? Hey, why
Because you're so tall. I think the world needs to see how tall you are. Look, he's taller than the stop sign. Giant Polly! Oh, we better move. Goodbye.
Just to show you how tall I am, we will do a size comparison. You're 5'10" or 5'8"?
I'm 5'9".
She's 5'9". She's 5'9". I'm 11 years old. She's 40. And I'm almost as tall as her.
Oh, I am not 40. I am not 40.
She's
I am
39
not 40. I'm
million
1
years
million, 300 billion, cajillion years old.
Yep, that's what she wants you to think. Peace out. Actually, no. We are going to walk down to the beach. We're not going to go on to the beach.
Not that anything's wrong with being 40. I'm just not 40.
Yeah, you're 39. She's 39 3/4.
I have loved every minute of it too. This is my 40th year.
So you are 40.
I guess technically, because this is my 40th year alive.
She lied to us.
This is my 40th year. I love it.
Can't show the mailbox. We can't show the addresses.
What the schmeck is going on?
I don't know. Like,
Watch, they're coming over the road up here. It's the ambulance.
and it passed.
We need to.
But we threw a lot of, like, I don't know what they're called, but they just make a pretty loud sound when you eat them.
Oh, the poppets. Poppets. I think they're called poppets. They're in the red box.
With a
They're
wolf
those
on
little
it.
things you throw and they pop.
With a wolf on them.
And they got hair. That's what we call it.
Yep.
Where are we going? Are we going to the beach?
Why not? We live right across from the beach. We've been recording for about 3 minutes. We had a video before this one.
Walk barefoot every day.
She ended it. Barefoot woman.
We're going to get Polly.
I have shoes on and my dad's pants that somehow fit me.
You're a big guy. 5'3".
5'4".
5'4". That's what the doctor said.
No, it's been a while since we've been to the doctor. I've grown.
Where did we? Oh, we measured skiing though.
Yes,
When
but it said
when you were
5'4".
snowboarding. When you're okay, so when you went snowboarding,
I was 5'4".
so and I'm 5'9". I bet you catch up to me.
In about 3 seconds, instantly grows taller.
This is a new house.
Hey, you're gonna show the address.
Oh.
You just showed the address, Mom. I don't know how to blur that out.
Oh well, we'll figure it out.
No, we can't.
Hold on, Richie.
Oh wait, I can just cut it out of the video.
Hold on, Richie. Here. Go ahead and stop it. And start it again.
No.
You can cut
Traffic.
Hold my hands on.
No, you can get run over for all I care.
So I don't get rid of it.
She can get run over for all I care. Not really, guys. I love my mom. Most of the time. When I'm asleep, I don't. Because I'm asleep. I didn't show it though. It was on the floor. And I also know how to cut videos. Partly. Rock.
We're learning. You have a rock in your shoe?
No, there was a rock on the ground. We're just gonna go for a nice beach walk. And you guys are going to endure the pain of us walking.
And wishing you were here.
Hold on, I gotta take my shoes off. I'm gonna leave my shoes right here. There was police tape here, but I cut it. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell anybody that though. Give me a second. There you go. I blinded y'all for a few minutes. Well, actually, it was just a few seconds. It's nice and windy today. I still can't feel it through the phone. It's pretty cold, but it's nice. It's in the mountains. It was 18 degrees. There she is. Right there. She's not that far away, actually. Piers down there. Everything looks farther than it really is. Let's make me a vlogs video. Because why not? Or vlogging. Aww, cute dog. You know what we look for when we're y'all need to see the cute doggy. Dog. Yes, for the video we need to find the shark's tooth.
Okay, I'm gonna find one.
Then we have the dog over there. What the dog doing?
You got video of the dog.
I did video of the dog.
Video of my dad.
He's over there.
Fell apart.
So long. Be blinded by the sun. And even blinded myself by the light. Yeah. Hotels. Other people walking behind. You vlog now. Hold the phone like that. Don't end it though.
Welcome to the Cherry Grove. It's beautiful. There's not people out
It's
today.
nice and cold today.
It is chilly. I definitely have my jacket on. Definitely have my jacket on.
Going to we're making merch.
We're gonna make merch. Oh, we could make it out of our seashells. We're gonna
Make necklaces out of our seashells. If y'all want a seashell necklace, let me know. I'll make one.
yeah. Let us know.
You can custom order things. And we'll throw in a shark tooth. For every 5 orders of our merchandise, you'll get 3 free shark teeth.
Nice.
You'll see the shark teeth collection when we get home.
Oh yeah, we will definitely pull that out. We have fresh finds all the time. I got some pretty shells for my mosaic.
I
Look at
know
that.
about how many we have. This one day I was so bored I decided to count them
It's
all.
impossible to see how purple that is, but it's so beautiful colorful. I'll use this in a mosaic.
Back to me vlogging, boys and girls and gentlemen. I don't know. Watches my video. If you're watching, it's not vlogging people. Listen to faces. I don't know what to do. We're just at the beach. Next 4th of July, we're going to record us launching off some fireworks, stuff like that. Who knows? Whatever you guys want. I'll put my Discord server in the description if y'all want to order. So if y'all want to order something, just tell me in my Discord server? I'm gonna make another one.
Looks like a shark tooth, but I think it's petrified algae.
Yeah, it's not shark tooth.
It's a fossil though.
This won't be expensive or anything. Like a necklace for $2. How much should the necklaces be?
Well, let us know what you have to spend, and then we'll figure out the right thing for you.
We will negotiate prices.
I mean, if it was something
Yeah, we'll do different giveaways. Make a Twitch account, start streaming on there. We'll do giveaways, like pets and giveaways. I don't know how many people play Ninja Legends that much anymore. It's not, they still play, but not as much as they used to. Let me if y'all saw a shark tooth. Y'all see a shark tooth on here. I have a video. It was nice. The cold was nice at first. Mom's lucky she has a jacket.
Do you want my jacket?
No,
You can have it.
no, I'm good. I don't need jacket totally. But I have my sweatpants.
Find a shark.
Wow, we're just vlogging. Foot. Oh yeah, she has a broken toe.
It's that one.
Hold on, guys. It's this toe right here. She broke it.
Look at that, Paul. Look right next to it.
Let's see. Oh, it's almost perfect. Let's see the bottom of it.
It's actually just the top piece of one.
Oh, I thought it was.
Shark tooth.
Shark tooth?
Is it? Oh, look. It's another petrified piece of algae. Unless that's no, it's petrified algae. Okay. We're in a good show spot, Polly. People don't know it, but I bet in a minute I'm gonna find it. Look at this fossil. Look at this one. Okay, hold on. Check this out. Bam.
Video focus. Oh, she's nice.
I'm not sure what it is, but I bet you have a favorite home you can tell us.
Shadow.
Got a
Good old shadow. Now it's phone to vlog. Might take a while. This. Anyways, we're gonna cut back whenever we find a shark tooth. Be right back.